Jammu and Kashmir, 4 days with regard to 4 terror attacks that are taking place. Another encounter this time in Jammu's Doda. Jammu and Kashmir police statement that has come in with regard to Doda, which is in Jammu region, upper reaches in fact, where there's an encounter that has broken out. And the statement, I quickly will read out here, late last night, an encounter began between the security forces and terrorists in Kota and Gando in Doda. And during this encounter, one of the constables, Farid Ahmed, who has been posted with the Special Operations Group, has sustained some injuries as well. He's currently undergoing treatment. Further details are awaited. We will not be putting out, of course, any live logistical details that could hamper the operation, but this is to update you that there is another encounter that's broken out, and specifically after the terror attacks in Riyasi and Kathua. I'm joined by Sunil G. Bhatt on the phone line for the latest on that. Sunil, so clearly there's a heightened alert with regard to Jammu region specifically this time. What can you tell us about this encounter that has started in the Doda region as visuals emerge?
Well, Pooja, as far as this encounter is concerned, as per Jammu and Kashmir police, late last evening at around 8:20 p.m., there was, incident of firing that was reported in Gando area in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir, and later on when more information came in, it came to light that it was an encounter that broke out in the upper reaches of Gando in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. One constable who is working with the Special Operations Group of Jammu and Kashmir police got injured, Farid Ahmed, and he was immediately rushed to the hospital. As you can see in these visuals, his condition is stable, but the massive operation is still on in the upper reaches of Doda. It's not an easy operation given the terrain of that entire stretch. That is why reinforcements are being sent. And as per our sources, 2 to 4 terrorists are hiding in the upper reaches of Doda district. And even Doda police has released sketches of 4 terrorists. And the police has also announced a bounty of ₹5 lakh. And police has said that anyone who provides information about these terrorists will be given a reward of ₹5 lakh. And Pooja, if you recall, Riyasi police has also released a sketch of one of the terrorists who is believed to be involved in the Riyasi terror attack. And Riyasi police has announced a reward of, ₹20 lakh. And this money will be provided, this reward will be given to anyone who provides information about the terrorists who carried out the dastardly terror attack on the Hindu pilgrims in Riyasi.
So Sunil, one, because it is the courage of constables like Constable Farid Ahmed who take the risk in even higher reaches. As you can see, these are all forest hilly terrains. But what is the situation with regard to now J&K security update? Because there are Amarnath Yatra, Kheer Bhavani Yatra in Kashmir that are beginning, while the terrorists are clearly have managed to infiltrate into Jammu region. What do you think is precisely the situation on the ground right now, specifically for Jammu region?
Well, Pooja, there is high alert across the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Jammu region, as there is presence of terrorists in the upper reaches of hilly areas like Rajouri, Poonch, and that is why security has been tightened, particularly at sensitive places. And as you mentioned that Kheer Bhavani Yatra is going on. Yesterday, more than 8,000 displaced Kashmiri Pandits left for Kashmir Valley. They have reached there safely, and even at the shrine of Mata Kheer Bhavani in Tulmula village in central Kashmir's Ganderbal district, there is massive deployment of troops there, and the administration has made elaborate security arrangements so that this religious function passes off peacefully. And from 29th of June, this month only, this year, Amarnath Ji Yatra is going to begin. This is a 52-day long Yatra. It will be a huge challenge for the security agencies to provide adequate security to the Yatris, given the fact that lakhs of devotees are going to arrive in Jammu and Kashmir.
All right, Sunil Ji Bhatt will be tracking all the latest. And remember, this also means heightened tensions in the region, in the areas. But people of Jammu, the armed forces there in the Jammu region deployed, will ensure that this jihadist extremism will not escalate further in the Jammu region and in J&K on the whole. Thank you very much, Sunil. He'll be getting us more updates on this.